engineers. In South, we have 4 engineers, and in Surat, I think more than 25 engineers are there. This is a fabric dyeing machine used for the knits and for the woven fabric. We can dye anything related to the fabric in this machine.
At the stall of TEXFAB. They are into fabric processing, and I am standing with Mr. Sandeep. They are a leading company from Surat. Hello, Mr. Sandeep. Can you please introduce us to yourself and to your company?
Myself, Sandeep Pachwari. I am as a director of the company. The company is mainly owned by Mr. Mukesh Pachwari. He is the managing director of the company, and Mr. Tanmay Pandya. He is looking after the international sales. Firstly, we are in the processing of fabric. We are the leading manufacturer of loop shimmer machine. It is used by for the fabric after the print. It is basically a color fixation machine, and after that, this is a digital dryer. What we are manufacturing after the printing, we use for dry the fabric, and this is after the printing. We have to wash the fabric. This is used for the digital. After printing, we have to wash this fabric. This is all the samples what we have washed in this machine. Again, this is a fabric dyeing machine used for the knits and for the woven fabric. We can dye anything related to the fabric in this machine.
So these are all made in India.
Yes, this is made in India.
Okay. Making such a phenomenal machineries, and since last 30 years you told me. So what are kind of opportunities you see in this sector in India, because now the global recession is going on, and India is emerging as a very strong hub for Western economies to consider as their manufacturing location and for sourcing. So how do you see the opportunities from here on?
India has a good market. Normally, we are supplying to Bangladesh, we are supplying to Indonesia, and I think more than 28 countries we are exporting to all over across the world. So we are getting the good orders, and I think in the future there will be a great opportunity for India to export to European countries, South American countries, and across the Asia.
Okay. And can we also have a look at your flagship product?
Okay.
So can you tell us something about this flagship product of yours?
This is basically after the printing, we have to do the steaming. Without steaming, the color will wash away. So we have, after the printing, we have to do the process of steaming. After the steaming, the color will fix in the machine.
And what are the kind of USPs and features of this product?
Features, it is based on there is two type of fabric: disperse fabric, polyester fabric, and one is cotton fabric. So for the cotton and polyester, both we can process in the same machine.
Okay. So
Mr. This is fully automatic machine. You can see it is fully automatic and controlled by the PLC.
Okay. So can you also tell us about some of the functions here, what the machine has?
So this is basically a PLC who controls the complete machine. The mechanical part as well as the PLC steaming part is controlled by the PLC. This is completely made by design and developed by TEXFAB.
So having such a big machinery setup, like what are the kind of challenges and what is the kind of expectations you have from the government? So you get some kind of a support from them?
Government is supporting us. They are giving us some benefit of TUFs, Technology Upgradation Fund, to the industry, and getting the opportunity from the government. We are having a good product range.
Okay. And Mr. Sandeep, so what is your kind of customers that you have? Who are your buyers basically?
Our buyers are all listed in the market. Big companies like Grasim, Trident, and many more companies are there.
Okay. So maybe if there is a small player in the market and he wants to get his work done from you, so is it possible he can approach you? And
yes, we are providing to the small entrepreneur also.
Okay. So what is the kind of investment or what is the kind of orders that you
It is
require?
all depend upon the size of the machine. If the small trader is there, entrepreneur is there, we supply according to the best with the low budget machine we can provide.
Okay. What is the minimum starting range for that?
It is, I think this machine is around about 35 lakhs, 40 lakhs.
Okay.
So it will, if the production is big, then it will go up to 1 CR.
Okay. And what kind of a production this machine can handle?
This machine can handle 20 in 20 hours. In 20 hours, the machine can produce 5,000 meter at 20 hours.
Okay. And is there any kind of technicalities required, like how many people or workers are required to operate?
Because it is completely PLC based, so there is no requirement of manual labors.
Okay. And Mr. Sandeep,
As you see, the machine is running automatically.
yes. And what is the kind of durability of this machine? Like, do you provide some after sales service also?
Yes, we have almost 40 engineers we have in the company, and across pan India we have a different in Noida itself. There is, I think, 3 engineers are there. In Ahmedabad there is 2 engineers. In South we have 4 engineers, and in Surat I think more than 25 engineers are there.
Okay. And what is the kind of ROI that you can say that person who is using this, what kind of ROI he can get?
It is all depend return on investment. I think with a good production, if they run the machine on whole day, then they can easily get the ROI. I think within 1 year,
Okay.
return on investment will be
Okay. And Mr. Sandeep, if you compare with other players in the market who are offering similar products, why do you think people should go for your product compared to
after
maybe?
far better than other manufacturers.
Okay. And if anybody has to contact you and associate with you, can you share your contact details?
Yes,
with us?
you can contact to our website textfabindia.com, or you can visit our local representative who is available in the northern region. And if you want my number, then I can share my card also.
Or maybe whatever, if you can share some card with us for our viewers, we will display that on the screen. And finally, Mr. Sandeep, any remark on any thing that you have missed? Anything you would like to say? Maybe any message?
Nothing. India is doing good, and we are trying to promote our product globally.
Yeah.
The main thing is that, so we can get a good exposure across the world. I think that's
Okay. And you are here at the India ITME event. So what is your feedback about this event? What are your expectations?
we are looking for the business, good business, I think, and the facility is also good in compared to Mumbai. This facility is very good, and nothing but we are waiting for the international buyers.